The Cybertruck Cyber Wheel Cap Kit is finally here. And this is from Tesla themselves, so not aftermarket. And right now, you can purchase this straight from the Tesla website. So if you go into your app and you select upgrade, you can select the Cybertruck Cyber Wheel Cap Kit. So this should have came with the vehicle since they didn't give us the actual wheel cover for like almost 9 months in to a year. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside here. To open this is pretty easy. It's like an Apple product. So thank you for accelerating the world transition to sustainable energy. You have a little tab right here where you pull on this. It's like a iPhone. Just like that. And you'll be able to pop this open. And I don't think anyone received this yet, so let's see what you get when you open this up. So as a Foundation Series Cybertruck owner, we are sending you a set of Cybertruck Cyber wheel caps for your patient as we prepare your Cybertruck Cyber wheel cover for delivery. So I guess this is a limited edition because based on this verbiage, only the ones that had to wait when they received their Foundation Series. But they're probably gonna sell this eventually. But I'm sure you should be able to order this in a short amount of time. So that's how it looks like. Actually, I really like this design. This resembles the actual wheel itself. Oh wow, it has the spring here for the center cap. That's really nice. So you can see there, it's made out of a MON 4746. It has a nice hidden Cybertruck logo there. Let's see what else is hidden. There's a Tesla logo right there. This looks like plastic. I don't know what these clock like is. You can comment below, but it's pointing at 1 and 0. And the serial number on this one, 1250239-00A, TLB 0111. So if anyone wants to get their hands on this, let us know. We have a couple set and we'll be selling one off. So it does come with the pull tab here, so you can pull this off. So it looks like there's no slot, but you can insert it anywhere between there. And this one is pin 104420600-A. So that's the serial number. And it comes with 4, of course. Nicely packaged though. I thought it was gonna come in some random brown box, but yeah, Tesla packaging is pretty nice. So down here, yeah, it's just 2 more. What's in here? No, nothing. So that's what you get if you want this. Well, right now, actually, it looks like it's not for sale for the general public in terms of like the non-original Foundation owners that have to wait for the wheel covers. So it has these grooves here as well too. So actually this one will prevent it from moving around. So hopefully you find this video helpful. Remember to subscribe. Catch you all next time.